A river is a natural flowing watercourse, usually fresh water, that flows towards an ocean, sea, lake, or another river. Rivers play a crucial role in shaping the landscape, providing habitats for diverse wildlife and supporting human activities such as agriculture, industry, and transportation. They originate from sources like springs, glaciers, or rainfall, and their flow is maintained by a network of tributaries and watersheds. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for intriguing facts about our world. Today we are setting off an exciting journey around the planet to explore the top 10 longest rivers. Let's get started. The Nile River, stretching approximately 6,650 kilometers, the Nile is often regarded as the longest river in the world. Flowing through 11 countries in northern Eastern Africa, it has two major tributaries, White Nile and the Blue Nile. The river has been the lifeblood of Egyptian civilization for thousands of years, supporting agriculture and fostering the growth of ancient cities. The Amazon River, while the Nile might be longest, the Amazon is the largest by discharge volume of water, releasing more water than any other river in the world. Spanning about 6,400 kilometers, the Amazon flows through Peru, Colombia, and Brazil, nurturing the lush biodiversity of the Amazon rainforest, which is often called the lungs of Earth. Number 3. The Yangtze River. At approximately 6,300 kilometers, the Yangtze is the longest river in Asia. It flows entirely within China from the glaciers of Tibetan Plateau to the East China Sea. The river is crucial to China's economy, providing water for agriculture, industry, and millions of people. It's also home to the Three Gorges Dam, the world's largest power station. Number 4. The Mississippi-Missouri River System. Combining the Mississippi and Missouri rivers, their system stretches about 6,275 kilometers, making it the longest river system in the North America. Flowing from the Rocky Mountains to the Gulf of Mexico, it has been a vital transportation route and an essential water source for centuries. The Yenisei River, flowing for about 5,539 kilometers. The Yenisei is the longest river system that flows into Arctic Ocean. Originating in Mongolia, it transfers through the heart of Siberia in Russia. This mighty river is key to the region's hydroelectric power generation and has a rich history tied to the indigenous cultures of Siberia. The Yellow River, known as the Honghe in Chinese, this river is about 5,464 kilometers long. It is often called the cradle of Chinese civilization due to its role in the development of ancient Chinese society. However, its frequent flooding has also earned it the nickname China's Sorrow. The Ob-Irtysh River System. This river system stretches approximately 5,410 kilometers, flowing through the Russia, Kazakhstan, China, and Mongolia. The Obi River, combined with its major tributary, the Irtysh, is significant for its vast basin that supports agriculture and industry in western Siberia. Number 8. The Parana River, flowing about 4,880 kilometers. The Parana is one of the South America's primary river. It runs through Brazil, Paraguay, and Argentina and is a key waterway for transportation and hydroelectric power. The river also forms the stunning Iguazu Falls, one of the most spectacular waterfalls in the world. Number 9. The Congo River. At approximately 4,700 kilometers, the Congo is Africa's second longest river. It flows through the heart of the continent, passing through the Democratic Republic of the Congo and several other countries. The river is known for its deep channel and powerful rapids, making it crucial yet challenging route for transportation. Number 10. The Amur River. This river, forming the border between Russia and China. The Amur River basin is home to diverse wildlife and rich ecosystem. It's an important natural resource for both countries, supporting fishing, agriculture, and local communities. That's it for our journey across the top 10 longest rivers in the world. These rivers are not just geographical features, they are lifelines for millions of people and the ecosystem they support. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with more amazing world facts.